How to delete account bio history on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate, and on today's tutorial I will guide you how you can delete account bio history on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. From your home page, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. That's gonna take you to your settings and activity. Here, scroll down and then tap on your activity. Once you land on this interface, scroll down a bit, and here you have to tap on account history. After that, navigate to the top right corner. There is update type drop down. Tap on it. From here, you have to select bio, then tap on apply. So in this interface, you will find all of your bio history. If you scroll through it, you will find all of your account bio history that you have added previously or earlier. Now, in order to remove the bio history, tap on the clear all at the top right corner. Then all of your bios will be cleared. That's the way to delete your past bios from your account history, and once deleted, the information cannot be recovered. That's it. That's how you can delete bio history on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.